Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering tools and the correct bulb type. For 2014 Outback, many trims use H11 low beam bulbs. First, disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts, then remove any obstructing components, air intake elbow or washer reservoir, so you can reach the headlight rear. Use a 10 mm wrench for fasteners and keep screws in a tray. Once done, shine a flashlight into the housing to confirm the bulb socket orientation and the retaining clip or cap you'll next unfasten. Now focus on removing the old bulb. First, peel off the rubber dust cap or unclip the plastic cover and set it aside. You'll see either a wire retaining clip or a twist lock socket. Release the clip by depressing and swinging it out, or rotate the socket counterclockwise and pull the bulb straight out. Inspect the connector for corrosion. Clean if needed. Prepare the new bulb by holding only the plastic base. Touching the glass leaves oils that shorten life. Make sure the new bulb aligns with tabs before inserting. Install the new bulb by seating it into the socket so tabs engage, then secure the retaining clip and replace the dust cap or cover. Reinstall any components you removed and reconnect the negative battery terminal. Once reconnected, test the headlights. Turn them on and cycle high/low beams to confirm proper operation. If the beam seems misaligned, adjust the headlight aim per the adjustment screws. If you see flicker or no output, check the connector for a loose fit, inspect the related fuse, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.